Okay, so I will show you the latest feature of PoolParty release 3.2, and one of the highlights are the so-called SKOS collections. Collections are part of the SKOS standard of W3C, and I will demonstrate how to make use of collections. So for instance, just think about, let's say, these arrows about visitor attractions in Scotland. And I would like to build a new collection called Places I've been to. So all the places I went to during my last visit to Scotland, maybe. Okay, so I will create such a collection. So I click right click on collections, click create collections, and say okay, places I have been to. Short description, all places in Scotland I went last summer. Okay, so next step is I either browse through the collection or the thesaurus, or I will search for certain places. So for instance, I say, okay, visit the attractions in Edinburgh. So for instance, I went to the Edinburgh Festival. So I click here, I get all the information about the Edinburgh Festival I have in my thesaurus, like narrow concepts, broader concepts, preferred label, alternative label, and so on. And here I get a little button called Add to Collection. So I click here, and I can assert this certain concept, the Edinburgh Festival, to this collection, places I have been to. Okay, now it was stored in this certain collection. Go probably for a second and the third one I went to. So I went to Glasgow, and here I went to the Celtic Park. Went to a football game. Okay, and last but not least, I can search, for instance, for Inverness Castle I went to. So here is Inverness Castle, and I add this to the collection too. All right, so now my collection is here, and here are all the places or the concepts I've added to this collection. And this is a certain view on all the lists and collections I've created within this project. So for instance, here I could add an alternative label, or I could add an hidden label. I can remove it once again from my collection if I like. So I click here, then it's gone. Yeah, so that was the new feature, SKOS Collections. We think it's very helpful feature if you maintain large thesauri. And in addition to the lists, the sparkly lists we have built in PoolParty Thesaurus server. That's a second and a very standardized way to maintain lists, collections, and things like that. So that was it. Bye bye. See you next time.